The challenge to demonstrate what's authentic and effective was huge. I had to resort to the original meaning of Tai Chi. Tai Chi means the universe, expansion towards all directions, infinity, and a span from past to future, eternity. The ancient texts Yi Jing and Zhuangzi illustrated the formation of the universe and called it Tai Chi. Expansion forms the major force in Tai Chi. The second force is rotation, especially horizontal rotation. The galaxies rotate, the stars rotate, Tai Chi rotates. All my forms generate Qi flow. The Qi flow leads to power. One of the essential elements for Qi to flow in the body is relaxation, Song. My forms are designed for all joints in the body to rotate simultaneously. When the joints rotate, the whole body relaxes. Qi could flow. When Qi flows smoothly, we know our movements are smooth. The Qi flow creates the drive. The Qi flow is power. The Qi flow and breathing together build up Dantian, the core. The rotation of the core spins the body. The spinning drives the limbs. The inner sphere rotates the outer circle. My form leads to mastery. When the Qi flows naturally inside the body, humans start learning from nature, from one's own internal feeling, the inborn gift. The Qi feeling inside the body will take over the teaching as the guidance. The Qi flow will outline the force. The genius of human nature is unparalleled. When the form flows, Qi flows. When the Qi flows, blockages are cleared. The clearing of the blockages brings back the balance, the perfect health.